Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install IBO Player on Windows. Before starting the video, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and if you need any IPTV subscription, you can contact me at WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number available in the video description. Contact me and get your subscription. IBO Pro Player is a popular streaming media player where you watch IPTV with extreme quality and without buffering. Let's do it. First, open your Microsoft Store on your window. After opening Microsoft Store, click on search bar and search for IBO Pro Player. Now I am gonna search it. Now you can see that I search IBO Pro Player. Now IBO Pro Player is showing on top. Then click on it. Now you can see the interface of IBO Player. Click on Get. Now you can see that the IBO Pro Player is starting installing. Wait for it installing. Now you can see that the IBO Player is starting installing. After installing, open it and share me the MAC address and device key for getting your IPTV subscription. Thanks for watching.